Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the Little Blue House Farm in Mexico. Cassie and Erica here in Guanajuato, Mexico. We're on our way to go take Cassie to school today. Look, her hair's down, friends. For the first time ever. She doesn't like it down. Because it's so puffy, she says. But I made her a braid yesterday. And since she took a shower before, I just took it off right now and her hair is not puffy. So I told her I was going to make her half a ponytail. Well, today we're going to take you guys along on a day. It's been raining. Everything is wet. Everything's super wet. It rained all night and it looks like it's going to continue to rain. Today is Saori's birthday. She turns 4 years old. We're not sure what we're going to do. Probably just get her a little cake later on since we did go out yesterday. We mostly went out all day yesterday, morning and afternoon. Let me show you guys that Cerro mountain in the clouds, how it looks like it's lifting up. Looks beautiful. I gotta make some food as well, not sure what. I bought some bistec last night since we were already at Soriana. Look at how gorgeous it looks. We'll bring you guys along on our day today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do like this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring you guys content from here, from Guanajuato, Mexico. Looks so beautiful. Thank the Lord we have had water, but it gets harder to do stuff because it's been raining so much. But the grass looks beautiful. This green grass. Yeah, it's finally green all the way completely. Even going to see the Miss Mams, it's hard to record or anything because it's raining. And you guys know I record from my phone, so I don't want to get it wet. I don't want to get it wet and break it. I've had this one for quite a few years now, and I definitely don't want to ruin it now. It's a little bit chilly. It's 63 degrees Fahrenheit. But it feels good walking because once I walk all the way to school and come back up these little hills, I sweat.
Is it like 2 kilometers or something?
I don't know how far school is. Not that far. I love this. Those fences with natural plants. I just noticed that tree right there has a nopal plant too up there. It's so amazing to me. Just looks beautiful this morning. Bye. Ooh, the bell just rang. We just made it. Let's clean up the mess because the dogs dropped the garbage. Buenos días.
Yeah.
I was cleaning up the garbage as soon as I finished. I told Cass, let's go. I didn't know it was already 45 after. Well, we made it. The viejito that has this land told us that he plants here, that he tries to do the three sister planting, corn, zucchini, and beans, but that they steal his things. So sad. He works so hard at it. It's always clean. Here's our garden. It grows day by day, friends. I think I'm gonna look for a stick for this cucumber. This one just doesn't want to stay. It just doesn't want to stay anyway. Maybe I have to tie it up. I'm not sure. That's okay. I'll come this way. My cucumbers are thriving. My little zucchinis are growing. Looks like one of them's growing more than the other. I'm not sure if the other one was pollinized or not, but it's okay. Look at this. Beautiful. We have no tomatoes yet. I moved this tomato plant. I smell tomatoes. There. My kale's way I see the most growth daily. Look at this, how gorgeous it is. And here's these. They're growing their true leaves. I still don't know what that is. Like I said, we'll find out. Once they start growing, I can figure them out. I'm gonna be making some breakfast. Some huevos con salchicha. It's not open. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these in circles. I go ahead and just brown these or fry them a little bit. Ooh, my oil. There's water in there. My cazuela was still cold because of the water, so now they Cook a little bit, but it's okay. I'll make them work. And I'm just gonna make the huevito with the weenie so that Saori can eat. Okay, the eggs are browned, or the weenies, I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the eggs. It's according to the bottom. You're fine. No, that's salir. It's just according to plan. I added all the huevitos I had, 2, 4, 6. That's all I had because I gave, I think, 5 to the guys yesterday where our chickens are. So I just went ahead and made all the ones that I have. Now we're gonna let them cook. And this is gonna be breakfast. Me and Jose already had bread and coffee. So this is more for the kids, Saori and Miguel, because Cassie's at school. No, put them in the car. There's no sun, right? It's gonna rain again. Look at this beautiful.
Mommy, open the car door.
We're going to pick up Cassie from school now.
Wow.
Look at the cloud. It's beautiful. Looks like the mangoes are starting to change colors. I don't know if it's true or not, but it looked like it. Vámonos, mami. There's Saori and there's the mangoes. Look, she's touching. No, mommy, they're not good yet. Come on. I like the way that house looks right there. And this one.
Here. Here. Sing my birthday here. Happy birthday! It's your birthday, not my birthday.
Does anyone know what this plant is? It looks like a green bean, but it's...
It looks like a,
But look how gorgeous this is. If anybody knows the name, please let me know.
You don't think they're beets?
There's some kind of... I don't know what they are, but they're beautiful flowers. They're bumblebees. That's a whole bumblebee.
Oh my god.
Look how gorgeous these flowers are.
Oh my god. That's scary.
Oh, it's got some kind of seed.
Those are not seeds.
Yeah, these are seeds. Look,
Those are seeds?
I should take some of these.
Plant some. Yeah.
But I need to know if they're
Gimme.
edible or not. But
Gimme
they're
it.
beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. On our way to see our Miss Mams, our chickens. because it's gonna start raining again. It's early today. We are here to see the Miss Ma'am. So we're gonna go and check and see how they're doing. It's raining, so we're gonna have to we have to do this fast. I'll see if I can record a little bit before my phone gets wet, but then we're gonna go to the store and get a cake for Saori because it is her birthday today. I actually had my umbrella in the car. Jose said he's cold. He's gonna start bringing a sweater in the car. Cold. I'm gonna go check on the other ones, amor. It is raining. I think it's been raining for a little bit too. Ooh, everything's so wet, friends. There's no more cows. Yeah, it's been raining for a while. Look at this. Ugh. At least they were under the tarp, not getting wet. Ooh, you hear that thunder? Not nice. Yeah, it's been raining for a while. This is dry under here. Come over here. See how many eggs we have. Like I said, it's early. We have 3. 1, 2, and 3. I think I need to move. I think I need to move this somewhere else because it's getting pooped because they sleep here at night. We were talking with Jose and we think we're gonna be coming every other day instead of daily. We talked to the guys and since it's been raining a lot, they told us that they can take care of them if we need them to. But maybe if we just come one day and let them do it one day, we should be fine. But as you guys can see, they still have plenty of water and we gave them water yesterday. These are still filled, both of them. That one's about a quarter full, and there's still a lot of food as well. So they will be fine from one day to the next. But we will see. We still have to decide because it's been raining a lot. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, but it's good. I'm sorry, God. It's good for the plants. All right. Well, here we are. Just so you guys can see the Miss Ma'ams for a minute. That's the rooster next door. We're gonna get out of here so they can, because I'm under the tarp. My umbrella's over there, so I couldn't fit in the doorway. So I'm gonna just go so they can come back in the under the tarp and not get wet. Bye, Miss Meows. Bye, Miss Meows. I gotta put my phone away too. Right now we're gonna stop at the store, get a cake for Saori, because like I said, it is her birthday. And then once we get home, I'm gonna make some Spanish rice, and I have some steak. I'm just gonna probably fry it, so we'll cook as well. I'll bring you guys along. Let me go see the other Miss Ma'am. Jose already was in here, but we'll see if there's an egg or anything. Oh, it's thundering really bad. We got an egg. we got a total of 4 huevitos. Jose's gonna close the gate and it's pouring. Poor Javier, man, he's gonna be soaked. Is it raining, amor?
No.
You got a little bit of wet? See if I can see it here. Oh, it's gonna start now. One side of the street is wet, one side of the street is dry. All right, friends, so I'm gonna be making some red rice. I'm gonna give you guys the recipe because there's a new, some new subscribers that have requested recipes. And I know this is one that was requested from me. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the recipe one more time. So I'm gonna heat up my Mexican pan right here. Caso, I don't know what it's even called. But we're gonna go ahead and warm it up. I'm gonna put oil. And then in a blender, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tomatoes, a piece of onion, I don't know if I have garlic. I think I have garlic too. Hold on. All right, my pat's now warm. I forgot to bring the oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil. Maybe about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my blender 2 tomatoes. About a quarter of a piece of onion. Let me go ahead and add, what is this? 1 teaspoon of salt. Let me see if I can move you guys a little bit more. In my blender, it's thundering really bad outside. So 1 teaspoon of salt. And don't come at me, but I use chicken bouillon and I like it a lot and I'm gonna continue to use it. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons, 4, maybe 3. And I don't have, I thought I had bought garlic, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use garlic powder. It's gonna be a little bit more than 1 teaspoon. I'm going to go ahead and make 3 cups of rice. So I'm gonna put 3 cups of rice and it's gonna be 6 cups of water. So it's double. So if you put 1 cup of rice, it's gonna be 2 of water. So you just double whatever you put in there. Maybe I'll do 4, let me see. No, 3 should be good enough. 2 and 3. So I'm gonna put 6 cups of water in my blender. And since it's gonna boil in with my noodles with my rice once it's cooking, I'm just gonna use the faucet water. I'm gonna put 3 in here and then I'll just do the other 3 in there once I add this in there. 2. Ooh, that thunder is horrible. And 3. Oh my God, go ahead and blend this. So let me just go ahead and move my rice a little bit just so it doesn't stick. Just want it browned. So once it's browned, I'll show you guys the next process. The rice starts changing color once it starts
getting ready to brown. You guys can see it's not that light color anymore. It's kind of getting white. So I'll brown it and I'll be back. Okay, the rice is starting to brown. You don't want it burnt, just brown. So you want to just keep moving it around. You guys can see it's starting to brown up a little bit. You don't want it to burn, just brown. So just keep moving it around so it can brown on you, but you don't want it burnt. Once it changes color, you see it's getting brown. Go ahead and add what you blended first and then add the rest of the water, or if you blended everything together, just go ahead and add it, and then we're gonna let it start boiling. Once it starts boiling, we'll bring the heat down, and we have to cover it up the whole time so that it can cook. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add what I blended. So I still gotta add 3 more cups of water. Here's the other 3 cups of water. I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure all the rice is under the water. Let it come up to steam, and then we'll go ahead and put the fire down. Or start boiling, actually, not even a steam, but start boiling. Oops. I'm also gonna make tortillas, so I'm prepping my masa. I added hot water. I'm gonna do it with a spoon so I don't burn my hands. And I used the minza. I didn't add no flour at all to it though, just the minza and hot water. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll see if it needs more water. Okay, so now it's to a royal boil. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the fire down. Put the lid on it and let it cook for about 15 minutes until it's dry. For the meat, I just put a little bit of oil on my pot. Let me see, I'm gonna put it up a little bit so it can warm up quicker. Just a little. Can't hardly see it. Then I'm gonna I bought steak. Paid 127 pesos and 125. Meat's the most expensive thing here in Mexico, friends.
Wait. Did you get it already?
And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some salt. That's it. I was gonna add pepper and garlic, but I'm just gonna add salt. The beefsteaks are pretty big. I don't have a grill, so I'm just gonna make them here. I'm just gonna add 2 at a time probably. So they're, like I said, pretty big. It looks delicious. I have my rice on the back here. I put a little towel under it because it's the little holes that it's got, the steam keeps leaking, and I need it to stay in there so it can cook completely. This is the meat. I'm gonna go ahead and make some fresh salsa as well, with no cilantro, because I went to the store right now to get the cake that I got, and they had no cilantro. So sad, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and chop up 2 serrano peppers. 3 tomatoes and a piece of onion. I'm gonna add some salt, some limon, Everything has been washed. My meat is still frying. I'll check it in a minute because I did add more to the pot as well. I need a grill, but I don't have one yet, so while that comes, or we get one, probably not till we get the house. Yeah, more than likely not, because I don't want to carry all this stuff. So we build a house, then we'll start getting what we need. Right now, we're just gonna manage with what we have. Let me check on the meat. The meat's not done yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I did flip it. So I did add more, like I said. It's taking a little bit longer. I put my timer for 15 minutes for the rice. So it should be going off soon also. I got my comal on so I can start making the tortillas. I'll feed my family and then we're gonna do the little cake for Saori. It stopped raining again. It was raining pretty hard and it was thundering really bad. But it stopped raining finally. I think I'll continue though because it's still really dark outside. That's this little brown thing. I'm just gonna take it off. Maybe if it stops raining, we can either go outside and play some soccer or for a walk, but it doesn't stop raining for long enough to go for a walk. It's been raining off and on all day. But it's tiempo de lluvias here, raining season, for another few months. Okay, so I got the onion all chopped up. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to my container, add some salt and some limon. I gotta clean the dogs so they can come in. They're super dirty and wet. Here is the meat. Hold on, I'm coming. And the rice, I just turned it off also. There it is. So that's done. So I just gotta finish cooking the meat. Make the tortillas. I'll send this meat over there. And the meat's almost done because a lot of my family doesn't like it brown too much. And I'm gonna add another container. I did one, so I had two. This salsa is gonna need that green so it can look more like a salsa, but like I said, we do what we can. These limones are not very good either. They didn't have any at the store. I tried yesterday and I tried today to buy cilantro. They didn't have any, so. Some salt. And then we mix. It's still gonna be delicious, but it does need the cilantro. This batch of meat is done, so I'm gonna add another one. So they can eat until they're all full. Okay, and I'm gonna make some tortillas. Let's see. Hopefully they come out good with the minza. I didn't add no flour to it.
What are you making, Mom?
Carne. Vistes.
My suggestion is lasagna to cook.
Say thank you because they said Happy Father's Day, Jose, on yesterday's video.
Damn.
Jose's giving the dogs a chicken leg. They eat it outside. Shout out to Michael. And there I got the recipe for your rice so you can cook it. There's Jose.
Hi, Michael. Hi, Michael. Hi, Michael.
Say thank you for the birthday wishes.
Thanks for the birthday wishes.
See, you don't even know.
Huh? Huh? Somebody give me them. Huh?
They're working better now that I'm not putting flour too. One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Saori. Happy birthday to you. Bravo!
Blow our candles.
You had to make a wish and then blow. Oh, you blow your candles.
It's okay.
Wrong light. Wrong light.
Que le mueve.
Déjala. Se va a ir hasta allá.
Muévele. Let me see, mommy.
A phone.
She kept asking me for a phone in the States y no la compré. El cake. Somebody move the cake.
Whoa.
A libreta to go. And a pen.
Nope. Whoa. Say thank you. Thank you. You're already opening it. I want to open it.
We gotta eat cake.
Well, friends, thanks for coming along with us today on our day here in Guanajuato, Mexico. We hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. There's Cassie. She was doing dishes. And now she's making her lunch for school tomorrow. Have a great and blessed night, and see you guys soon. Bye.